Hey guys, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot.net, and today I'm here to do something a little differently than I normally do, and it is going to be a fall haul, a roundup of 4 amazing that I'm absolutely loving this fall. For me, I'm always a little bit sad when summer comes to an end, so I like to treat myself to some awesome products or, just some fun things to help me get through fall and the winter. But of course, these products are going to be amazing any time of the year, but I just want to share them with you now. So today to start, I'm going to talk about an awesome skincare product I've been using for about the last 2 or 3 weeks, and it is Third Day Beauty. These skincare products are absolutely amazing, you guys. They were founded in San Diego, and the whole point of it was to create the most potent, science-based, anti-aging cosmeceuticals available, and boy have they nailed it. These products with their line of amazing skincare is amazing. World-class, high quality. They use only the highest quality, finest ingredients that are going to be the most helpful and really take years off of your skin. There's no chemical preservatives in these products, and there's no middleman either, so they save you money as well. You're going to get them at a really great deal instead of having to blow a whole bunch of money in the department store like you do for, other high quality products. They're really great for women that are aging, anywhere from 40 and above. It's just, you're really gonna see some amazing results. If you go to their website, they have so many reviews, 5 stars, 5 out of 5 star reviews. People are just loving these products. So to start out, there are 4 products that I got to try. And so my morning routine is, I start with the Age Revitalizer, which is an eye cream. Absolutely amazing, great for wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. I used it this morning actually because I kind of had some dark circles, and it just does a really great job to just lighten up the area and just really make skin look brighter, ready for the day. So absolutely great, reduces puffiness, very moisturizing, love it. And then I use their most popular product, which is their firming cream, Sculpt and Firm Neck Cream, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. Just a really nice, smooth. They all are just really, really nice and smooth. My body soaks it up right away. I just rub it in, and it just makes skin feel amazing. It's going to really firm up the face and the neck. You can use it anywhere. I use it face, neck, chest, even the back of the neck as well. And it's just going to repair, revive any sagging or drooping skin that you may have there. Works really great. In fact, this product works within just 14 days. So I know you're gonna love it. If you have any kind of sagging or any aging showing up on your neck, which is what gives us, most of us women, away our age, then it's a great product to try for sure. All right, and then the next up is the Day Cream, a lovely revitalizing moisturizer, super creamy, feels amazing on the skin. Again, my skin absorbs it really easily and nicely and just feels amazing. I've already put it on today, and I love putting it on the back of my hands as well because that's another place that tends to show signs of aging, so a really great place to moisturize. Super moisturizing. It works great for lines and wrinkles, so be sure to put them around anywhere that you put it on, anywhere where you have wrinkles, crow's feet, smile lines, forehead wrinkles, anything like that. And it's just going to do a really great job to make skin look younger, more youthful, and give it a really nice, really beautiful glow as well. And then last but not least is their night cream. It is the Night Rejuvenating Night Formula. Again, another lovely creamy cream that's super moisturizing, feels amazing, and I know you're just gonna love it. I've absolutely loved using it. My skin feels so supple and soft and just feels more firm, and I swear it's lightened up the wrinkles on my crow's feet. I just feel like my skin is looking so much brighter and more beautiful, glowier, and more youthful. Everybody wants that. So amazing, amazing products. I've loved using this line from Third Day Beauty. Just fabulous skin tightening, high quality products that are just going to moisturize skin, make you look more youthful, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, fade the sunspots, and just make skin look overall more youthful and younger. So right now you can use my code MyStyleSpot, and you're gonna get $25 off your purchase, and you spend over $100, you get free shipping anyway. But be sure to check them out. It's thirddaybeauty.com. and I know you're gonna love it. They use amazing high quality ingredients, like I said. They use our line, which is known in the industry as better than Botox. So you know you're getting really high quality ingredients, amazing products with this skincare line. So be sure to check out thirddaybeauty.com. I know you won't be disappointed. All right guys, next in my fashion, beauty, health fall haul is a wonderful fashion product, jewelry from Combat Flip Flops. It is the perfect circle beaded Afghan Lapis bracelet, and this is real lapis. Really beautiful, as you guys can see. It adjusts. You can just pull on these. It's easy to take on and off yourself. You just pull on it. You can tighten it very easily yourself. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. But the cool thing about this beautiful bracelet is it funds 1 day of school for an Afghan girl, and also gainfully employs Afghan war widows as well. So it's a really beautiful piece of jewelry that gives back as well, and I absolutely love that. It's a great cause, just a really, really awesome, beautiful bracelet that you can wear smiling, knowing that you're helping other women around the world out. I love that. The lapis lazuli stones are harvested in Afghan, and then they are assembled by Afghan women who have been, ravaged and affected by the war there. So just amazing. Sold in partnership with TAPS, which is the Tragedy Assistance Program for Survivors. So just an amazing cause there. Then you can wear this knowing it's wrapped with love and gratitude, and that's what I absolutely love about that. It has adjustable sizing, like I showed you. It goes from about 5 3/4 to 6 1/4, so it's going to fit in most wrists just fine, and it feels amazing to wear. These are good quality stones, you can tell, but it's still lightweight, very comfortable. This would normally sell for $400 or more in a jewelry store, but you can get them from Combat Flip Flops for only $59 regularly, but I have a deal for you today. You can get them for $39. Just use my code MyStyleSpot, and you'll just shop combatflipflops.com for that. So be sure to check them out, you guys. I absolutely love this. It's a beautiful piece of jewelry. I love knowing that's helping those in need. Amazing. And this is going to make a great gift. Holidays are coming up very soon, so keep that in mind. This will make a great gift for the special women in your life as well. So be sure to check them out. Again, that's Combat Flip Flops. And let's get on with the rest of the haul. So even though it's fall, obviously your health is something you should be concerned about, hopefully, the whole year long. And I've recently got to try out some home testing from health testing centers. This is an amazing way to test yourself at home. Thousands of blood tests available direct to you. They do have labs if you need to go into the labs. They have, in fact, over 3,500 locations that you can go to, but they also have tests that you can do right at home. So I love it. It's just very private, and there's no need to go to the doctor, but you can just test yourself for many things that you may be concerned about. They do drug testing, cancer screening, cardiac and cholesterol testing, blood testing, hormone testing, autoimmune testing, pregnancy testing, STD testing, and many, many more. I actually tried it out. I'm very concerned. I know everybody is kind of on the detox wagon, like, oh, we need to detox our bodies. There's so many toxins. And for me, I just really wanted to kind of put that to the test because I keep hearing that and I'm wondering how many toxins are really in my body. So I did their heavy metal toxins, which you can do from home. It takes 24 hours. You are going to pee in a cup and then take a sample and send it off to them, but it's really easy. Their whole process is super simple to do. They have the mailer ready to send it back to them, already prepaid, so it couldn't be any easier. And then you can get your results. And I got my results within just a couple of days, and it was really easy to read through the results. I kind of looked at the graph for a second, but it was pretty simple to see what was happening. And for me, I was pleasantly surprised to see that I actually am doing pretty good. There's not really many toxins, except for there was titanium dioxide, which I was surprised to see. That was really pretty high. And that is actually what I researched, was like your sunscreen and your beauty products. So there you go. Like, I didn't realize, I've heard that many times you should be aware of what you put on your skin. There's proof right there. And also I was surprised to see that my sodium levels were actually really quite high. I keep hearing that that's very common. I was surprised because I don't really use table salt, but I do eat a lot of processed food, so apparently I need to cut down on that. So just a really great, cool, easy way to learn more about your body and what you can do to improve it. So I loved using it. They work with FDA and CLIA approved labs in the US, so you know they're official and legit and safe. Super low prices because it's all in cash. They don't deal with insurance, so you can just pay right there on their website. Very easy to do. I've loved it. Just super, super simple. It's great for monitoring your health. You can do it at home without the use of a doctor, having to go to the doctor. and I love the discretion and privacy you get from doing it as well. So absolutely amazing. If you have any kind of health issues you're wondering about, want to be tested, I highly recommend you check it out. It's thehealthtestingcenters.com, and use my code MyStyleSpot and you can get 10% off your order. So be sure to check them out. Last up in my fall fashion, beauty, and health haul, but certainly not the least, are health vapes. These are fun little vapes that you can use to get your vitamins, your B12 for energy, and they even have a nice soothe one for relieving anxiety or helping to get you sleep at night. It helps you relax. Absolutely amazing. These are so fun. I've really loved using them. They're super simple. You're just gonna inhale in the one end, the other end will light up to let you know you're doing. You'll obviously see the vape come out. It's just a fun way to get your vitamins, but it's actually really good for you too. In fact, the vaping actually heats them up to a higher temperature, which is gonna make you get the most out of these vitamins without them breaking down, too quickly before you get them in your system. So it's actually, there is a benefit to it besides it being fun. So I love that. You're not gonna find any nicotine, caffeine, tobacco. There's no calories in it and no diacetyl either. So you don't have to worry about that. Super safe. So this one right here is the Vital. There's 3 vapes. This one has the vitamin C, D3, E, B12, coenzyme Q10. And then your Boost, which is your B12. I love this as a vegetarian because I don't get the B vitamins very well without eating meat. So I love using this one because you get the B12, B6, L-theanine, and taurine in it as well. And then the last but not least is the Soothe. This one I said is good for relaxation and sleep. It has melatonin and valerian root and also some essential oils like peppermint, chamomile, lemon, and orange that are known to help calm and reduce the anxiety. So these are just really great vapes, very easy to use, very affordable. You can get 500 vapes out of each one, so they're gonna last quite a while too, and I love that. I've really enjoyed using them. They're just fun to use, very easy, and just a great, unique way to get my vitamins each day. And I actually used the Soothe right before I did this video because even though I've been doing videos for almost a decade, I still get a little nervous before I do them. So I totally puffed on this a little bit before I started. It helped chill me out, released the anxiety, and I love it, and it's been great. I used it last night as a sleep aid, and it worked really well for that as well too. So yeah, be sure to check these out. It is the Health Vapes. You can get them at healthvape.com. Use my code MyStyleSpot and you'll save 30% off your order. So there you have it. There is my beauty, fashion, health fall haul. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm excited that I got to share these products with you guys. I hope you'll love them as much as I am, so be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.